Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I'm going to teach you how to fix iOS 18 alarm not working. So the first thing you want to do here is go to settings and look for sounds and haptics. This one right here. Make sure this is full for rings and alerts, and this change with buttons is going to be disabled because rings, tone, and alerts are different from media and volume. Now, once that's done and still not working, I want you right now to go back on settings right there, go in here and look for the one that says general. We just need to check our software update. As you can see right here, we have software update for this one. Now, making sure that you're really up to date, you just make sure that you're gonna be right here. And as you can see right there, it says update on my end. I'm just gonna update this one and I'll be good to go. Now, next up, if you're using a DND or do not disturb feature, slide down right here. Okay, again, slide down right there, and you're gonna see right here that there's gonna be a do not disturb feature. Select this one so you can go to focus, and basically that should be solved on your problem. Now, lastly, if you're still not seeing this one as working, go back on settings right there, go back to general, and there should be transfer or reset iPhone. Just reset everything and you should be good to go. Now let's just say, after everything has been done and it's still not working, the last resort, even though I said last earlier, this is the last and final resort I can give you. Hold the lower volume key on your iPhone and the power button at the same time, wait for it to restart and wait for it to go back online again. And basically that is the last option and that should fix it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.